everybody. So, today we're going to talk about 3 easy steps to cope with anger, right? We get angry all the time because people don't behave as how people should behave. And so, we're going to get right into it today, okay? Now, so we have to take a pause. When you feel anger rising, take a moment to pause and to breathe deeply. This brief interruption can help prevent an immediate impulsive reaction. Express yourself. Find healthy ways to express your anger. Talking about your feelings with a trusted friend or family member can provide relief and perspective. Seek healthy outlets. Now, engage in activities that help you to relax and unwind. Whenever Whether it's mediation, exercise, listening to music, or pursuing a hobby, finding healthy outlets to stress can prevent anger from building up over time. And we believe that these 3 tips will help you from exploding. So, see you next time.